everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. It is so exciting to be back filming. Took a bit of a hiatus, lots and lots going on out there in this world, but I thank God for my little community here on the Mind Catcher channel. Just letting you guys know, I pray for my subscribers. I pray for your safety. Please be safe out there. And we're just going to jump right into it. This is the Zoya new Splash collection. This is for summer, and you may have already seen people review it. I'm a little late, but better late than never. These are, of course, 10 free. This is a breathable formula, and this again is from Zoya.com. There are 12 shades altogether, beautiful shades. I just looked at the bottles and admired them. I have not swatched any of these on my nails. I've had the box for about a week and a half now, but I just haven't been able to crack this sucker open. So we're going to do it today together, and we're going to see how many coats does each of these nail polishes take and what are our faves out of the collection. So let's get started. Alright guys, so you saw those swatches and all of them were absolutely gorgeous. My favorite finish is always cream. I do like glitters, but I think it's just something about creams that just always bring me back. Also creams just look so beautiful in nail art and things like that, so I'm digging them, and all of these were gorgeous creams. This one, especially this one, Harbor, I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. This is going to definitely be a beautiful toenail polish color for the summer. And this beautiful pink in the collection, this one is called KRISTIE. I'm absolutely loving it. I thought it may be like a nice cream dupe for Charisma, but I can see now that I have them together that Charisma is a bit deeper. So, but it does look like something I have. I'm going to have to look through here and see. I think it look, you know, I have lots of like fuchsia pinks, pinks like the color of my shirt, deeper pinks. I don't have many light pinks. Most of my pinks are nice and deep like this. And I am really loving this, and I would love to see some nail art with KRISTIE and Harbor together. I think that'll be very cute. So let me know what are some of your faves. Another one, an honorable mention, I think will look nice with Harbor. This one right here, this is Fisher. I think that Fisher would look, yeah, I'm right. This one, because I need glasses and I keep avoiding them. But anyway, I think that Fisher would look nice with Harbor as well. So we're definitely going to try that out with some nail art and see what I can come up with. And like I said, I can't wait to hear what you guys like down in my comments section. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.